I'm Mike Hudson, Director of the Museum of the American Printing House for the Blind. This month we're focusing on all things geography. Our mystery object this week is a plate from a 1972 American Printing House product called the Landforms Kit. We had done some research in the 1970s and revealed that kids who are blind or visually impaired didn't have the geographic vocabulary that a lot of their sighted counterparts had. So the kit was introduced to teach kids words like atoll, island, volcano, shoreline. It was made by carving out the original, turning it into a mold, and then putting it into a plastics press. And then all of the color had to be applied by hand with an artist back in the shop. The water is blue and has a texture. The land is yellow, and the highland areas are either green or red, and the very tops of the mountains are white, and there's even a little brown dam here. Even today, about half of our middle school and high school kids all across the United States are not studying geography. So the problem of geographic literacy is something that we can still understand today.